With that, now we have some breaking news coming in to this bulletin, wherein what we are learning is that the BJP has lodged a complaint with the Election Commission against Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaia's son Yatindra for his remarks against Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Now, addressing a public event, the former MLA called Home Minister Amit Shah a gunda who has a background of criminal activities. The BJP has called the remarks reprehensible and demanded an apology from the Congress leader. This is the particular breaking news we have, and in fact, we have some reactions that have already come into the story. Let's first have a look at these.
ಯತೀಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂತೆ ಮನ ಬಂದಂತೆ ಏಕವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇಶದ ಗೃಹ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಜನ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಹತಾಶರಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಡುವ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ದೂಷಿಸ್ತಾ ಕಾಲಹರಣವನ್ನು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರೇನು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಸೊ ಜನ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಸುಪುತ್ರರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಗೃಹ ಸಚಿವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೊಂದು ಕೀಳುಮಟ್ಟದ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ, ಒಂದು ರಾಜಕೀಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಿನ ಮೇಲೆ, ನಡವಳಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ರೇಖೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತ ಮಹಾನ್ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ ಗೂಂಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ? ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅವರು ಕ್ಷಮೆಯನ್ನ ಯಾಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
So the BJP has clearly demanded for an apology to be issued from Yatindra with regards to the remarks he's made about the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. With that, now we have Ritu joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details about this. Ritu, if we look back as well, the kind of comments that have come in from Congress leaders with regards to BJP's leaders and in fact the ministers and even the Prime Minister, and now we are seeing the Home Minister, they've never gone down well for the Congress themselves, and they've always seemed to backfire on them. Do bring us some more context with regards to these remarks that have come in from Yatindra.
Well, very true. You see, just a couple of weeks back that the Congress Minister Shivraj Tangadee went on to make a statement against the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and we did see how it did not go down well with the BJP workers and the BJP leaders, that we saw a series of protests taking place across Karnataka and demanding an apology from the Congress minister following his statement. After that, we did hear a clarification coming in from the Congress minister saying that he had spoken in his local language, a North Karnataka language, and it is thus been misleaded by the BJP leaders, and are they purposefully racking up this whole issue because of the Lok Sabha elections. But however, he says what he has spoken was the truth about the Modi government promising the jobs for the youngsters, while that really did not, that's not seen on the ground for the youngsters. And right after that statement from one Congress minister, you see now Karnataka CM son Yatindra Siddaramaiah has sparked another row following his objectionable remark against Union Home Minister Amit Shah, wherein now you see the BJP is demanding for an apology from the Karnataka CM's son, and they have also filed a complaint with the Election Commission as well. On the other hand, the BJP is saying that this sort of a rowdy culture exists only in the Congress and not in the BJP. BJP leaders do know well to respect the senior politicians, and therein Karnataka CM son Yatindra should really learn about how to respect and how to talk about the senior politicians.
Right, Ritu, thank you for bringing us all those contexts and details with regards to the story. With that,